Right, we'll be looking at the answers for AP Classroom's topic multiple choice for the sections of 7.1 and to 7.3. I need you to go ahead and pause the video to read number 1 before I go over the answer. So the answers to this should be A. Okay, so those that were surviving were the ones that had tusks. So that caused the tuskless female elephants to be able to have more offspring, and compared to the females that had tusks. All right, pause the video and take a look at number 2. So the answer for this one is C. So the more crops that the BT crops that are growing, the more insect resistant cases are going to be seen. Alright, pause the video to read number 3. The answer should be C. Okay, because there's more snowfall, because there's milder winters, the advantage of having gray feathers to camouflage, it's going to decrease. Alright, number 4, pause the video. Okay, the answer to number 4 should be C. Should be artificial selection, because the zoo staff, they're picking and choosing specific foxes that are more kind of calm or docile so that they can reproduce. Alright, take a look at number 5. Pause the video to read it. Number 5, the answer is C. Okay, there's fewer resources in the gardens. Okay, so it's advantageous for the birds to be able to get food from the bird feeders instead, and so the phenotype variation is going to most likely be choosing longer beaks that are able to get the seeds or the food from the bird feeders. So they're going to be able to survive better, pass on their traits, so that their offspring can go ahead and be born with longer beaks too. Right, number 6, pause the video and read it. Okay, the answer for number 6 is B. Artificial selection, okay, from humans doing this leads to the production of offspring that can make more milk. Alright, pause the video for number 7 and read it. And here's a question. The answer to this is letter D. Okay. Since there's different strains of this organism, okay, that specifically infect like different hosts, they're adapted to use the hemoglobin of their specific hosts. So a strain that infects humans that has that protein that binds well to hemoglobin found in humans, but not as well to hemoglobin found in other species. Alright, number 8, pause the video. The answer to this should be letter B. Okay, the processes promote rapid evolution of species. In bacteria, they can reproduce several generations very quickly in just even a 24-hour period, and each generation produces produced under severe selective pressures of antibiotics is more likely to be antibiotic resistant. And then number 9, the answer to this should be A. Okay, remember, according to Darwin, fitness means you are not only able to survive, but you can reproduce successfully. So yeah, the parental pairs with an average of beak depth of 5 millimeters had the greatest reproductive success. Right, make sure you go ahead and check your answers for this, and remember, you can go ahead and use those test-taking strategies to help you eliminate at least 2 choices. There's always 2 that's incorrect, to help you narrow down the correct answer.